In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a catalog for your food business. So if you've got a restaurant, a takeaway, a bakery, an ice cream store, you sell beverages, then this is a tutorial for you. So the catalog is going to look something like this. Your customers will be able to click on your food items or the food items you offer and just see more information. So the name of the item, the price, and the description of the item that it is you're selling. So I'm using a platform called WHINST. You can head over to WHINST.com and create a free product catalog just like this one. I will add a link to WHINST, to the WHINST website, as well as a link to this catalog for your viewing pleasure. So this tutorial assumes you've already got pictures of your food items, you've already got the prices of your food items ready, you've got descriptions and quantity. And the quantity of your food items, though not everything here is compulsory. It's only the pictures that you will need. That's the most important thing you're going to need here, the pictures, though I do advise you get all information on all your products, so all your product information, description, the name, and all of that. So yeah, let's dive right in. Okay, so once you go to WHINST.com and create a free account and log in, you'll be presented with a screen that looks something like this. So what you want to do now is go to create new. Once you click on create new, you're going to be given, or this screen will then appear, and on the screen you have options to add a store logo, your store name, the store currency, the currency you want the catalog to display, your email, and the store email and store phone number. So the only compulsory thing you need to enter here is store name. Currency, email, and phone number are optional, and store logo is optional as well. But it's very, very important that you enter everything so that your clients don't miss anything about you. So I'm just going to go straight and enter the information here, and I'll continue the video once everything is entered. So as you can see now, I've entered a logo, a store name, a currency, email, and phone number. So all you need to do is just enter your details, your store details, just like this, and you're good to go. So I'll just head over to create. So once your store is created, or once your catalog is created, it's going to appear like this. So this is a dashboard. This is the catalog editor. So catalog editor is open. It looks just like this. You have a view button over here in the top left corner. You have a format button, so you can change the format from 2x2 to 3x3. Then you've got a share button and a delete button, but I'll talk more about the view and share button later on in the tutorial. For now, we can just focus on the catalog itself. So you have an edit catalog button just below your store details here. So under the edit catalog, when you click the edit catalog button, you can edit your store information. That's your store logo, your name, just all your store details. You can edit that from here. Close that. Then you have a create new button. So when you click on that, you're taken to a page that lets you then enter the products that you'd want to appear on your store catalog. So it's just an image, a product name, description, price, and quantity. So the product image is compulsory. You need to enter that. The product name as well. The description, price, and quantity are optional, but again, it's important you enter every single detail, or all the details about your product. It's important you enter all of that for your customer. Your customer needs to know your description, your price, your quantity. All that information is important. But in the case of a restaurant, product quantity isn't necessarily isn't necessarily needed, depending on the restaurant you've got, really. So maybe product quantity can be skipped, but name, description, price, and image are very, very important. So make sure you add that. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this information, and I will continue the video once that's been added. So I've added the product details. So the first product I'm adding to this catalog is a beef burger. So I've added the image already, the product name, the description, the price, and the quantity. Oh, I haven't added the quantity, sorry. So on the description, it's very important you describe the food item you're selling in good enough detail. So for a burger, I've put for a beef burger, I've put a beef patty, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and special sauce between two buns. So you have to give a detailed description because it's important your customers know what exactly you're selling, and yeah, that's it really. So once you've entered your product details, you can go ahead and create. So when you've added a product, it's going to appear like this. You have the beef burger and or the name of the product and the price. So what you want to do now is just go ahead and repeat this process for every food item you've got. So you head to create new, you enter the product image, the product name, description, price, and quantity if necessary. Head on create. You're going to do that for each and every product you've got. So I'm going to pause the video here. I'll enter all the other products, all the other food items that my restaurant offers, and I will continue once that's done. So once you add all your food items, it's going to look like this. So I've only added 3 items since this is just a demonstration, but if you've got an actual restaurant, an actual food business, you'd want to add way more items than this. So once this is done, so now that this is done, I'm going to head over to the view button. So the view button just shows how the catalog is going to look on the other end, so on your customer's end. So it's going to look something like this. They've also got a format button as well, so they can switch between 2x2 or 3x3. So they can zoom in on the images to see how they look. So once they zoom in on the images, they get the name, the price, the quantity, and description. So just the full details of the product you're selling. So it's going to be something like this, just like that. They click on the item, they can see what product, and yeah, and there's also a contact button. So the contact button just displays your contact information. That's why I mentioned the phone number is very important, even though not compulsory. So your phone number and your email as well. They can give you a call to find out more about your business or your restaurant and what food items you offer, or they can email you directly. So that's the view button. Then you've also got a share button. So the share button allows you to share your catalog, your newly made catalog, to all your customers, your potential customers on different platforms. So first you've got a QR code. You've got a download button here for the QR code. So you can, when you press the download button, you're able to download that QR code and print it out, and you can post it on wherever you need to post your QR code, whether it's on your store, your house, your car, wherever, on a notice board. Yeah, you can download the QR code and take it there. Then you also have an option to copy the link. So if, let's say, you want to share your catalog with via SMS or anywhere really, you can copy the link and then share it with your customers, your current customers and potential customers. Then you also have the option to share your catalog on Facebook, on X, and on WhatsApp. So that's basically how to share your catalog once you've created it. So that's really it on how to create a product catalog for your food business. So again, if you've got a restaurant, you've got a food truck, you've got an ice cream business, you've got a bar, you've got beverages, and you want to put your food items on a sort of menu or product catalog, that's how to create one. Yeah, if you liked this video and want to see more about catalogs, how to create them, how to share them, please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget, if you want to create a catalog like this one, you can head over to WHINST.com and create one just like this for free. Thanks for watching.